So this is flat 3 at Broadside House in Maryport, and it's a 3-bed flat at the top of the building. The building is comprises of 4 apartments in total. So we're at the top, we're the biggest, with 3 full bedrooms, and as you walk in you have this whole little reception area or hallway as you walk in, and the first room I'll show you was the living room and the open plan kitchen. So you've got a very comprehensive kitchen fitted with fridge freezer. We have an integrated dishwasher, electric oven, ceramic hob, extractor fan over. We've got a washing machine, and we have a 1.5 bowl stainless steel sink and drainer. So nice modern contemporary grey finished high gloss units, and if I pan round you can then see the living space. So lots of room in here, 3-piece sofa, TV table, plenty of room. And if I look up here, you can see we've got this wonderful vaulted ceiling with the nice old beams. That's why it's so echoey, as there's no furniture. It's why you can hear my voice reverberating. So there we go, lovely big room, and we've got a great view out the front, 3 windows looking out into Maryport. You can see the River Ellen there, and the port is literally just behind the building here. So that's your reception area and kitchen. I'll show you the first of 3 bedrooms, which is as you come in from the hallway. Double room, double windows again looking out to the front elevation. Lots of space in here. If I just pan out, you can see you've got lots of space for a double bed. And we have a walk-in storage cupboard as well. Very useful hanging space, place to store shoes, etc. So that's the first of the 3 double rooms. The heating in the property is by electric panel. There's no gas, so that saves on one of the utility bills. And let me take you through now. I'll show you the other 2 bedrooms and the bathroom. So we come into an inner hallway, and our second bedroom here, again a double, looking over the front of the building again. Once again, lots of space for a double bed, and again, generous storage and hanging space in this double walk-in wardrobe. We've got a nice coordinated floor. I believe it's a Cardine floor that flows through this property, so it gives a lovely continuity. The walls are all nicely painted and plastered. And bedroom 3, now this is a single room. We're looking out to the side of the building now, and in the distance, oh well, there we go, you can see the River Ellen again, just going into the port. And if I look over the rooftops, you're going out there into the sea. So very, very attractive position for this apartment. Single room, no walk-in storage here. And then we'll take you through and we'll show you the family bathroom. So we've got a 3-piece suite, nicely dry panelled walls. We've got a wash hand pedestal, wash hand basin, low level toilet. We've got a bath, and the bath has a thermostatic shower over. So that's the bathroom. A little bit more storage here off the hallway. This contains the hot water cylinder, a bit of place there maybe to put hoovers, etc. And then the door through there, which is just there, the way down to an emergency escape. So there you go, 3-bed, top floor apartment in a building of 4 apartments. Lovely views coming out of the windows here in the living rooms and the bedrooms. Available now with hunters to view. If you're interested, please give us a call.